Welcome to this demonstration video where we will review an example of a completed program management plan. This example will build upon the program business case and program charter completed to support the Wireless Customer Support Enhancement Program. In this demonstration video, we will explore components needed to develop and manage a program management plan effectively and review an example of a program management plan. As a program manager, it is your role to manage the program management plan development and approval process. This requires the ability to collaborate with numerous stakeholders and subject matter experts to ensure the document is approved and adequately serves as a source document to drive the program delivery. Let's review an example of a program management plan. The program management plan begins with an introduction. The program's purpose, scope, and objectives are defined. A subsidiary scope management plan may be developed if further detail is required. This scope statement will set the boundaries for program delivery activities. Scope approved in this plan must translate to requirements and deliverables. Scope not approved in this plan can only be added through a formal change management process. Strategic alignment of the program to the mission and vision are essential. In this example, the firm's mission and strategic goals are linked. In addition, a value proposition is provided. A program value proposition is a strategic statement that outlines the unique value a program offers to its stakeholders. The program management plan must be approved and conform with the firm's governance structure. Section 3 of this plan lists the program sponsor, steering committee, and shares key decision-making and escalation paths. The project triangle of time, cost, and scope applies to programs as well. A schedule management plan is included to define milestones and a program roadmap. In many cases, a schedule management plan is developed as a subsidiary plan that includes additional schedule details and a program roadmap illustrating major phases, milestones, and key deliverables over the course of the program. A program consists of numerous related projects and components. The program management plan should highlight all related programs, projects, and activities as shown in this example. This example breaks out components in Section 6. Each component is broken out by objectives, detailed definitions of each component, key deliverables, and required resources. This example does not show all the details for each component. All programs have dependencies. This example shares potential dependency plan inputs to include interdependencies, external dependencies, and critical path information. In most cases, a formal program network diagram is shared in a subsidiary schedule management plan along with the program roadmap. We previously highlighted and illustrated a benefits register and benefits management plan. This critical subsidiary plan is referenced in the program management plan. The benefits management plan will also serve as a source document to share benefits, transition, and sustainment information, as shown in Section 9 of this example. A financial management plan will support the overall program management plan. Budget funding, funding sources, cost estimates, financial controls, financial reporting, and contingency planning all must be documented and approved to support the program. Sections 11 and 12 highlight risk and communications planning. A risk management plan and communications management plan should be developed as part of the program management plan. Sections 13 and 14 highlight quality and resource management planning. A quality management plan and resource management plan should be developed as subsidiary plans to support the program management plan. Sections 15 and 16 address stakeholder engagement and change management. A stakeholder engagement plan and a formal change process should be developed during program planning and be included in this plan. Section 17 outlines procurement planning. A procurement management plan should be developed if third-party support is required. The program manager may or may not be the procurement expert. However, they must ensure the procurement process is defined and supports the needs of the program. Enlist the support of subject matter experts. The program management plan ends with a glossary of terms and appendix for all subsidiary plans or supporting documentation. In summary, the program management plan is essential for program managers to effectively execute programs aligning with organizational goals and governance. It begins with defining scope, objectives, and strategic alignment, supported by detailed schedules, dependencies, and stakeholder engagement strategies. The program management plan also includes comprehensive plans for benefit management, financial oversight, risk mitigation, and procurement, ensuring thorough management and successful delivery of all program outcomes.